baby. Ayun guys. Hello. Hello na lang daw siya sa inyo guys sa mirror. And hello Dominic.
Hello, I'm the Uber driver today.
Yes sir.
2 passengers.
So for today's video guys, pupunta kami ng park. This is the first time na dadalhin namin si James sa labas since nung pinanganak siya. 1 month old na siya guys.
1 month.
Right? 1 month old na baby. So as you can see, we put something to protect his head para hindi siya pumunta sa left and right. He's ready to go. We didn't put the thing on his window, like the sun protector, so that he can't have the sun, but maybe next time. But we have it already. Yep, we have also his bag. So all his stuff right here guys is changing diaper bag. Dinala din namin, and we got some coffee. So nandito na ako. Dati guys yung pwesto ko pag umaalis kami nandyan sa front, right here. But nobody there na.
All alone up here now.
Yeah, so Dominic is alone there in front. So it's gonna be me and James here at the back.
That's alright.
Yeah.
At least for now.
I got my coffee too.
Keep his head up straight.
Charap. Get my coffee. And Dominic got his coffee too.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
We didn't go to Starbucks because
He's crying earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a little bit fuzzy.
Yeah. Normally he loves the car seat. So of course the one day we're going on a walk he wants to be a little bit fussy. Bye.
It's hard to film now at the same time, me and Dominic, because Dominic is in front and the back. So you can have James over there at my back.
Oh, that's right. He's the new partner.
Yeah.
James.
What's up guys? You need to make your intro, James. Yeah, so time check guys, it's already 3:15. 3:15 na ng hapon dito sa Ohio. And maganda yung weather today. The weather is like 60 degrees out, so more or less, but I think 60.
Yep.
Yep. And it's sunny too, so it's gonna be hell. A little bit windy, I hate wind. But I brought my
He's always
sweatshirt.
upset with the weather. It's got to be like 79,
It should be perfect.
no wind,
Sun.
but not too sunny because
Yeah.
she's gonna get too dark.
Yeah. I have some dark spot in my face, guys, but I wear already the sunscreen. Hi, James.
You got hiccups.
We got some hiccups, guys.
Yeah, hiccups a lot.
Look at his eyes. His eyes is not that black. It's like brown. Look at that. Oops.
He wants his eyes to turn like mine, but we'll see.
It's
very
like an
Filipino.
Egyptian.
So far, it's very Filipino.
Yes, guys. His dark hair. At least his eyebrow is already growing. I can see it more thicker.
Come in a little bit.
I like his eyes. It's not black. Promise James is brown. I bet you when you grow,
Growing your eyes.
yeah. And look at him. Look at him, guys. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. He's carrying his pacifier. Ayan. Tapos yung hat niya. Ayan. Okay. Okay. I'm going to sleep now. Bye.
Parenting 101. This is our first attempt at strollering. Is that what it's called?
Strolling.
Strolling. There he is.
So cold, guys. It's 60 degrees out,
It's just windy.
but it's windy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Not planned for, but we're going into the woods, so hopefully it'll block some of the wind.
Yeah, look at the background.
And for those in the Philippines, our leaves fall off every winter.
What right now? Well, right now it's still winter.
Yeah. So our trees get naked, so they look kind of brown and boring, but they do come back to life in the spring.
Yeah.
Philippines, you guys have leaves year round, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Always
year
looking
round.
nice and green.
We're here in the path na hindi na siya pave. So talagang bato-bato na talaga siya, guys.
Yeah.
Look, James.
Look at those cheeks. Trying to go slow. Might have to turn around here. Even the cup's going crazy.
James, are you okay? Oh, look at you. Wait, guys.
This is not meant for off-road. Oh,
Can I go back?
it's up to you.
Yeah, and then we just go to the other side
Okay.
instead.
I'm gonna grab your cup. Okay. We'll turn around, buddy.
Yeah, guys, because all the way down is mabato na talaga siya.
We forgot this part was gravel.
So we were going back.
We just wanted to show you, James. Doesn't seem to mind it. He said to wake up.
Shake.
Ooh.
Poor James.
Oh,
Oh
man.
man.
Almost there.
Oh, still sleepy, guys.
Yeah.
Like, probably he likes it,
I
huh?
don't know. There's a lot of shaking though.
Probably
Yeah, he
our
likes it. But...
probably our wheel is gonna be ruined for the first use.
No. He's meant for off-road. He's just not meant for off-road yet. We'll get
And
you updated.
here we go. We're here nasa paved path.
And we're back to the smooth James. Here it is.
Here we go.
Oh, there it is.
Alright.
There it is.
Babalik kami, guys. We'll find another route. Look at this. It's sunny over here.
Yeah.
It's sunny on this side, huh? Look at that. It's pretty. And James got some sun over here.
Yeah.
Oh, he likes it.
Alright, is it right here?
Yeah. We tried to give him some sun, guys.
He's been inside for the winter.
Whoa.
There he
There's
is.
some sun in there.
What the hell's going on?
You like the sun?
I don't know. I think he's like, what?
It's getting red.
Who turned the lights on? Is it bright?
His eyes is like very Asian when you see here in the camera. Look at that.
Yeah. It's our boy.
No.
Mm.
He's still sleeping though.
Yeah. Soaking it in. He looks warm. Just mom's cold.
Can I borrow your blanket? James, can I borrow your blanket, James? Yeah, I have a nice blanket. We call it fleece, right?
I think so.
Yeah. So it's like very rough.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're here in the other side of the park. It's more nicer here because open ground. And this part right here, guys, you can rent it. Like, let's say you have a party or something like that. Yeah, you can rent that. You rent that, right?
Yeah, I mean, you could use it right now since no one's using it. But if somebody
Oh.
rented it, then they get priority.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so it's, if you really wanted it, it's safe to like book it.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Yeah. So this area, guys, is open wide siya. Kaya may sun. Ooh.
This is from our zoo trip. This is Herejean and I always got hot chocolate when we go to the zoo.
Yes, guys, with whipped cream.
It's called the Wild Lights. So the zoo. in
They have
Columbus-
millions of Christmas lights
Yes,
in there. This
fun.
one is in thrift store. I
We
remember
did,
that.
yeah.
Look at that.
Looks
So
like
yellow. That's Dominick's, guys. Go.
This deal. It costs us like $1.
But that's my favorite color. Like that kind of yellow.
Really?
Mm-mm.
What kind of yellow is this? Looks like orange to me. I always thought it was
like
orange.
a combination of yellow and orange, but it's more on yellow.
Hmm.
That's the same color in our thumbnail.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
That's my favorite, and
It works out.
it's gonna be James' favorite color.
It's our channel brand.
Yeah. Oh, I just realized that's my favorite color, and blue is Dominick's favorite color.
Oh.
Yeah.
We planned it.
Another spot here in the park. Meron tayong swing. You should try the swing, babe.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you. This is another park, guys.
Another part of this.
A part of the park. Yep.
Same kid though.
And the same kid here. You got some sun again. Ooh.
First walk.
Get the Filipino color, baby.
Gonna sleep the whole way.
Yeah, it's so nice in here, guys. It's an open field.
Yeah.
Yeah, but during the spring or summertime, guys, this one is so pretty because it's a lot of flowers in there.
Yeah. Very green.
Look at that. It's all the way down there.
Yeah.
And in the middle of nowhere, there's a path.
Actually, this used
Crazy,
to all be
huh?
stuff. They cut it all down.
Yeah,
This is all
they clean
all
over
too.
here.
Yeah.
And on that side, guys, it's already the highway. Yep. And that's already an highway right there. Ooh,
Like the sun, buddy?
it's so nice in here.
Yeah.
Sun is so pretty. It really helps me.
Feel warm?
Yeah. James is crying now. James is crying. Yeah. Hey guys, so andito na kami sa harapan ng aming car. Balik na kami sa bahay kasi nilalamig na ako. Look at my hands, guys. Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko. Sobrang lamig na. Namumula. Ganito ako, guys, kapag nilalamig, namumula yung kamay ko. And we're going home. Kasi yung ginawa ko is to look at at yung ilong ko namumula na din. Ubus na yung kape ko. Pangalawang beses na umihi. He's crying. No. He's ready to go home too.
There we go.
What you doing?
Closing up shop. We're all done.
This is his trolley.
That's right.
Did you enjoy, Boo?
I did. We did it. That was fun.
1 hour, guys.
Not bad
Hindi talaga
start.
kinaya.
Herejean's too cold for a second round.
Yeah. Look at this baby. He's still sleepy. I told him he looks like Egyptian with his head.
Oh, you mean with his head?
Like headdresser. Like this one, guys. Okay, where's next stop, babe?
Herejean wants food.
Yeah,
Right?
we're looking for Mexican. I'm
Yeah.
craving for Mexican. Look at that. It's a lot of like kids over there. Next time when James like can walk, we're gonna bring him over there, guys.
That's right.
They have like a playground in there. It's a lot of parents too. Pauwi na kami. And look at the traffic, guys. It's only what time? Oh, what happened to your time? They're like,
What? This?
yeah.
What's wrong with it?
Here in the camera, they're shaking.
What?
Yeah, the number.
Oh, yeah, maybe it's just something the camera's picking up.
Yeah, look at it, guys. It's shaking. And then if I look at in there, it's nothing. It's like something wrong with it. So time check, it's 4:28 p.m. and pauwi na kami. And of course, we get stuck here in the traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi peak hours na talaga siya. And Dominic is, where are you heading?
We're heading to pick up Herejean's desired Mexican food.
Yes, guys.
It's La
I'm
Quisita.
craving.
Is that Los Quisita?
Yeah,
Something.
Something which is Mexican restaurant.
Near our house that we've always seen. We never actually
Never
gone in.
been there, yeah.
We're still not going in, but we are picking it up. So
Yep, and we're gonna eat at home.
we got a newborn, but
Yes, we're gonna show you what we get later.
but sounds good. Oh, smells good.
Oh, you're smelling it.
Smells good.
Then guys, Dominic's food. Ooh, that's a quesadilla, right?
Yep.
That's our appetizer.
That's
This is his burrito. Looks good. What's the sauce?
No
We
idea.
have some white sauce in there.
Good though.
That's Dominic's food. This is part of my food. So I think this is what is this, babe? The beans?
Refried beans.
Like they ground it.
Yeah, it's called refried beans. But yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's like almost like a paste. Yeah.
Guacamole, sour cream. We have some salsas right here, and then brown rice. But of course, I have my white rice over here, huh? And then I got my fajitas. Normally, guys, if you go to the restaurant, it comes with the zizzle or the hot, like
Right.
a hot.
I saw him bring one out when I was in there.
Oh yeah, it was so good. So it comes with chicken, bell peppers, onions, and etc. And this is the chips, guys.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
And the orange juice is for breakfast.
Yeah, that's still my breakfast. We will eat na.
Starving.
Yeah,
James is still chilling.
still in here.
He's doing good. He's snoring a little bit.
He's snoring?
You can hear him a little bit. He goes back and forth. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat now, guys. We're gonna eat half of our food.
Yes, if I can stop myself from eating all of it, we'll see.
Okay.
Just kidding.
If we're gonna finish it, it's okay.
We'll buy more for dinner.
Yeah, we still have more time for dinner.
That's right.
Okay, we're gonna eat now.
Thanks for coming along for our walk.